beautiful dolls. Today is going to be the first video back as the discount vegan. So if you remember my face, that is because this channel used to be called Making My Home Happy. I decided to rebrand as the discount vegan because I thought it was more in line with what I was going for on this channel now. Therefore, that is your explanation as to why you might not recognize this channel name. Now, today's video, in case you haven't noticed by the title, is what I eat in a day. So to start off with, happy St. Paddy's Day. Today is St. Patrick's Day, and I'm hoping potentially to get this up today. Not 100% sure, but I'm hoping I will. If I do, therefore happy St. Patrick's Day. If I don't, well then, happy belated St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to have brunch now because it's like 1 something in the afternoon. It's just me at the moment. So I'm thinking along the lines of green, and I'm thinking matcha. And I got this idea from the Viet Vegan. If you don't know her, I will link her info in the description box as well. I am going to try her matcha latte, and I am going to kind of take an inspiration from her and make some matcha pancakes using a variation of her recipe as well. So let's get cooking. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and of course I'm going to put my customary Canadian topping on it. Okay, so this is me in my typical habitat, and I just wanted to try these pancakes for you. I showed them to you. They look incredible. They look pretty dang tasty. So let's try. They're actually super dense. Let's try this. That almost tastes identical to like whole wheat meets like a buckwheat type thing. I'm not 100% sure that's quite the quality, I'm gonna say, of matcha that you really want to use. It's kind of earthy and grassy, which I hear that's not quite the way it's supposed to taste. So yeah. So that's breakfast and technically lunch because it is actually 1 o'clock now. I was wrong before. It's actually 1 o'clock now. And I'm going to eat my brunch with my water, of course, and I'll see you at our traditional St. Patrick's Day dinner. Okay, so basically all I have is just boiled cabbage, rutabaga, carrots, and potatoes, which is, I guess, pretty traditional. And that's all I had on St. Patrick's Day to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that thumbs up and let me know you liked this video. Also, if you are new here, click the subscribe button and join the Discount Vegan Doll Collection. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, dolls!